What is information security? Information security involves protecting your information by making it inaccessible, protected from unauthorized access and attacks, and secured from theft and data damage. Entities often have a hard time securing their data from cyberattacks, hackers, and other third parties that may want to access it. Entities with sensitive data should make sure to properly secure it, because any data left unprotected is at risk of being hacked. Data theft is a major problem for any entity. With the rise of technological advances, it's becoming increasingly difficult to protect your data. Data leaks can have serious consequences for the person or company that experiences them. Information security goals. First goal: prevention. Different types of information may require protection due to different factors such as the type of information or where it is stored. By encrypting your data before it is at risk, it can reduce the chance of losing it all in a security breach. Second goal: detection. Monitor every change to your data and report any suspected breaches. Check individuals that have any kind of interaction with your data or scan all your hardware and networks for signs of hackers. Third goal: recovery. In times of disasters or intrusion to your data, you may experience corrupted or misplaced information. When a system or device crashes, you need to have in place a process or plan to recover data. There should be a method in place to track all physical assets in case it is misplaced or stolen.